Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're discussing a topic that's crucial for your health: 10 signs your kidneys are failing. Your kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste and maintaining the balance of essential substances in your body. Detecting early signs of kidney problems is critical. Before we delve into these signs, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more informative content. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to share them in the comments below. Now let's dive in. 1. Changes in urination. The first sign to watch for is changes in urination. Your kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste and maintaining fluid balance in your body. If your kidneys are faltering, you might notice increased or decreased urination frequency, changes in urine color, such as dark, foamy, or bloody urine, or even pain or discomfort while urinating. These changes can be early indicators of kidney dysfunction and should not be ignored. If you experience any of these symptoms, consult a healthcare professional for a thorough evaluation. 2. Blood in urine. Seeing blood in your urine, known as hematuria, can be alarming and a potential sign of kidney problems. While blood might not always be visible to the naked eye, it can be detected through urine tests. Hematuria can result from various kidney conditions, including kidney stones, infections, or even more serious issues like kidney disease or cancer. It's crucial to address this symptom promptly and undergo appropriate medical examinations to determine the underlying cause. 3. Swelling and fluid retention. Swelling, also known as edema, can occur in various parts of the body when your kidneys are struggling. Kidneys help regulate the balance of fluids and electrolytes in your body. When they aren't working properly, excess fluid can accumulate, leading to swelling in the legs, ankles, feet, or even the face. If you notice sudden or unexplained swelling, it's essential to consult a healthcare provider, as it could be a sign of kidney issues or other medical conditions. 4. Fatigue and weakness. Kidney dysfunction can result in a buildup of waste products and toxins in your blood, leading to fatigue and weakness. You might feel unusually tired, even after getting adequate rest. This persistent fatigue can impact your daily life and productivity. If you're experiencing unexplained and prolonged fatigue, it's crucial to discuss this symptom with a healthcare professional to rule out potential kidney-related problems. 5. Shortness of breath. When your kidneys struggle to remove excess fluid from your body, it can accumulate in your lungs, causing shortness of breath. This can be particularly concerning and may indicate advanced kidney dysfunction. Shortness of breath, especially if it occurs suddenly or is accompanied by other symptoms like chest pain, requires immediate medical attention. It's essential to address the underlying cause, whether it's related to kidney issues or other health conditions. 6. High blood pressure. Elevated blood pressure, or hypertension, is both a cause and a consequence of kidney problems. Your kidneys play a pivotal role in regulating blood pressure by controlling the volume of blood circulating in your body and by releasing hormones that help manage blood pressure. When your kidneys aren't functioning optimally, it can lead to high blood pressure. Conversely, uncontrolled high blood pressure can harm your kidneys. Monitoring your blood pressure regularly is essential, and if it's consistently high, consult a healthcare professional to assess kidney health. 7. Persistent itchiness and skin problems. Kidney issues can manifest in unexpected ways, including skin problems. When waste products accumulate in your blood due to impaired kidney function, it can lead to persistent itchiness, dry skin, or changes in skin color. These skin issues can be more than just a cosmetic concern. They may be indicative of underlying kidney problems. If you notice persistent skin changes or itchiness, don't hesitate to discuss these symptoms with a healthcare provider. 8. Unexplained back pain. While back pain is a common ailment, persistent or unexplained back pain, specifically in the area near your kidneys, should not be ignored. Kidney problems, such as kidney stones or infections, can cause discomfort or pain in your lower back or side. If you experience back pain that doesn't seem to be related to muscle strain or injury, consult a healthcare professional to rule out any kidney-related issues. 9. Increased thirst and frequent urination at night. Experiencing an unquenchable thirst and having to get up frequently during the night to urinate might indicate a kidney problem. When your kidneys aren't functioning properly, they can't concentrate urine as effectively, leading to increased urine output, especially at night. This can result in dehydration and disrupted sleep patterns. If you find yourself drinking excessively and urinating frequently, it's important to discuss these changes with a healthcare provider. 10. Metallic taste in the mouth and ammonia breath. A metallic taste in your mouth, often described as an unusual or persistent taste of metal, can be a sign of kidney dysfunction. Kidneys help maintain the body's acid-base balance, and when they're impaired, it can lead to metabolic changes. This can result in the release of ammonia into your breath, causing an unusual odor. If you notice these taste or breath changes, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional for an evaluation. Conclusion. In conclusion, recognizing these 10 signs of kidney failure is crucial for maintaining your overall health. Your kidneys are vital for filtering waste and maintaining the balance of essential substances in your body. If you or someone you know experiences any of these symptoms, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional promptly. Early detection and intervention can make a significant difference in managing kidney-related conditions. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more vital content. Your health is our priority. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and let's raise awareness about kidney health. Thank you for joining us today. Your support keeps us motivated. If you have personal experiences or insights regarding kidney health, please share them in the comments. Your input might help others. If you want to learn more about how to naturally reduce uric acid, please watch the video on the screen now. Remember, your health matters, so stay vigilant, stay informed, and we'll catch you in our next video.